Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you edit current time on your Telegram app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is just go up here, you click here in this sign here in app, then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do is to just click here on settings here, then you come here to next step, then you just click here on chat settings here, and you come here to next step, then you just go down here. So and sorry, I'm go back. So you click here on pro temps here, then you come here to next step, then you just go down and you come here to edit current theme here, and here can you choose color for your wallpaper theme here, and here can you choose if you want to add I can color here or my messages here. So and here can you here choose color and or create your color here, and you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.